grumpy face.
It's hot.
It is hot down here. It's always hot down here. Concrete and steel. That fuzzy hair.
Hi, baby.
Fuzzy hair. Okay, everybody, it's November 23rd, 2019, the first day of the rest of your lives. We just did our latest Spaghettifest. We do this every other month with the money that I get from Patreon. Thank you to my Patreon supporters. Thank you to all my volunteers, as usual. Junjun, Nikki, Nano, Chichai, her sister Janice. Rose helped out this time because Leia had to work, unfortunately, today. So she helped out a lot. Now we're gonna go for ice cream. Today we gave out about 175 meals, I think, something like that. So again, thanks to all my Patreon supporters for doing this. Much appreciated. And now we're gonna get going. Oh, and happy birthday, Father. Actually, it's tomorrow, but in advance. And we're actually gonna do something special for your birthday tomorrow, hopefully, if it all works out. So, without any further ado, until next time, everybody, it's Ned over at My Philippine Dreams. Peace, take care, and spaghetti is life. Fuzzy hair.
Say thank you.
Is that your baby?
Yeah.
That's your baby?
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at the hair. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's Rose's baby.
What
Oh.
will you say?
Wala isa pa yan.
Gonna curl my hair like that.
You gonna grow your hair like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.